Guys, it's getting hot outside. It's like 100 degrees in Arizona right now. But that's not the only thing that's changing, because Faster and Louder has a brand new garage. Just a disclaimer, this is actually for my fiber optic business. So if anybody gets the wrong idea, this is what it's actually for, but you know, I'm a car guy. I gotta take advantage of stuff like this when I can. So it's kind of like a glorified storage area, but anyways, I just wanted to point that out. The real world, not super fun, cool part of this is moving this amount of materials. I got some fiber cable over here and whatnot. I'm really just moving all this stuff to the shop. The main purpose is to store materials for my job at a space that's not in a tiny little 2-car garage. So I move that over there. Eventually I'll have some more like specialty vehicles, I guess, for working, you know, like a bucket truck or something of that nature. But the added benefit, obviously, is being able to put these bikes over there. I can put the bitchin' banana back in the garage, get it covered again instead of leaving it outside. I tried to use a car cover, and that didn't really work. So I'm pretty excited about it. I've been hinting things here and there. I've probably hinted this garage like 2 or 3 times already. And I also have another project that's coming, that's in the pipeline. But I won't say anything about it just yet, but there is something cool coming in the future, and having this shop definitely makes that possible. So I am super excited. Can't wait to show you guys. So without wasting too much more time, let's get to it. So this is it, dudes. This is the shop. It's pretty big. There's a lot of room for activities. For the time being, I'm just gonna move in some of my fiber optic installation equipment. I'm gonna put it in here. There's probably gonna be a bunch of extra stuff stored up in here in the loft and down here underneath. Eventually, I will have the future projects probably over here. I'm gonna maybe even bring over the motorcycles. It's gonna be a fully functional speed shop, or high speed shop, if you will, because, you know, internet and stuff. Well, it's been a long day. I've been moving stuff in here pretty much all day. This is like pretty not exciting, but check out all my fiber material stuff, man. God, look at that. That is sexy. It's all organized. This is pretty much my workstation so far. Yep, got some brake cleaner. Drain pan. And some hand cleaner stuff. My KTM flag. Oh yeah. All right, so it's been a few days, and I got some more decorations. I got a couple prints from like an old Javelin AMX review. Pretty cool. These are photocopies, obviously, from somebody that provided these online on a Facebook group. Got my motorcycle, skateboarding decks up here, and I got the classic muscle car calendar, because, you know, that's pretty much necessary in any kind of speed shop. These were already up. This is also like a reproduction of an old Javelin advertisement in a magazine. Signed poster from the guys in Roadkill and Roadkill Garage. And then I got some old Carcraft magazines. These are super old. This one is probably my favorite. It's Is Auto Racing Doomed? And it's March 1974. I would say it was pretty doomed at about that time. And I got a couple other cool ones. This one I thought was interesting. It's very 70s. It's a Pacer. And this one's pretty badass. This is from April of 1971. I got my first baseline dyno tune of my Challenger up here because, you know, it's cool. It's a little sentimental. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything in here is pretty much the same. I just did an oil change on the Challenger. I got my KTM sign up. I think I already did that or showed that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But we are super excited. There's actually a couple projects that other people might be outsourcing to us. So that'd be super cool. If that could happen, then we could really start pumping out some videos. You're gonna see a lot of stuff happening here. This is gonna be like the headquarters for hopefully pretty much everything from this point forward, so yeah. All right, dudes, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please like the video if you actually like it. Leave a comment. Just nothing too mean, because I'm pretty fragile. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.